Hi, ako nga pala si Chel. Naranasan niyo na bang umasa? O kaya magpaasa?
Hindi naman talaga kami. Walang kami. Walang tayo. Emyo lang siguro. Hindi ko talaga alam. Yun bang hindi kayo, yung walang word na commitment, pero sa mga kinikilos nyo, parang gano'n na rin. Parang tayo.
A girl who finds an answer to her question. A question that leaves her hanging. Hanging from the feeling of being loved in return. Will she ever find an answer? Or will she keep on hoping for the perfect ending? Starring Shell Ugay, Amery Ibanez, and Alexander Sarino. A film written by Yvonne Haison and directed by Viana Merquita para sa mga taong umaasa at paasa. Showing on March 10, 2016.